Meerut becomes the heartbeat of Indian university basketball as the nation's finest young athletes gather under one roof.
हम ये पिछले 3-4 मंथ से रेगुलर इसी गेम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। 5-on-5 से ये बिल्कुल अलग है थोड़ा। 3-on-3 इसमें रूल रेगुलेशन थोड़े चेंज होते हैं, तो हम उस बिहाफ पे प्रैक्टिस की है हमने। इस गेम में थोड़ा ऐसा है कि थोड़ा हाइट प्रेफरेंस होती है। मोस्टली हमने ये स्पीड पे ज़्यादा निर्भर है।
190 universities, hundreds of dreams, one grand stage, the All India Inter-University Basketball Championship.
प्रिपरेशन लास्ट 2 मंथ्स हम डेली 2 घंटे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं बास्केटबॉल की, और कोशिश है कि हमारी टीम अच्छा परफॉर्म करे उसमें। अच्छा वार्म अप और बेसिक्स के ऊपर ज़्यादा काम करना, उसको लेके बहुत ज़्यादा कोशिश रही है कि टीम की ट्रेनिंग को लेके कि हम इस तरह से प्लान करें कि हमारा जो, क्योंकि 3-on-3 का जो गेम है बास्केटबॉल का बहुत फास्ट है, क्विक मूवमेंट है, तो उसके रिलेटेड बहुत सारे मूवमेंट्स को लेके हम तैयारी की है।
With over 400 matches scheduled, this championship promises intensity, skill, and unforgettable moments. The opening ceremony blended sport with culture, celebrating India's vibrant spirit both on and off the court. Delivering his address as the chief guest, Major General Deep Ahlawat, Vice Chancellor of Major Dhyan Chand Sports University, said that the education landscape in India is undergoing a significant transformation, now increasingly advocating holistic development with a strong emphasis on mental health and sports.
The landscape of our education system is undergoing a great transformation, driven by policy reforms, technological innovations, shifting of societal expectations. The implementation of NEP 2020 has shifted focus towards multidisciplinary learning, skill development, experimental education, while the Digital tools and AI platforms are reshaping the classrooms. Universities, college are collaborating with industries to make learning more applied and future ready. Even micro courses, lifelong learning pathways are gaining traction, but at the same time, the educators are placing more emphasis on holistic development, mental health, sports, more importantly, and socio-emotional learning to align with the global standards.
Subharti University CEO Shalya Raj extended her gratitude, encouraging players to uphold the true spirit of sportsmanship.
और सबसे बड़ा धन्यवाद मैं AIU को देना चाहती हूँ who chosen our university. This is the I think 5th or 6th event जो हम AIU हमको होस्ट करने के लिए दे रहा है. So thank you so much AIU. और आप लोगों को sportsmanship से खेलना चाहिए, but do your best. You have to do your best for your team, for the universities you've come from.
Behind the scenes, meticulous planning and dedication as shared by Director of Sports Professor Sandeep Kumar, ensuring a seamless experience for every participant.
In our campus, more than 100 universities men's section and more than 90 universities women's section is participating from across the country in all the zones of the university. If I'm talking about the uniqueness of this competition, then we can proudly say that we are providing all the facilities, especially the good quality of accommodation and food in the campus, all in the reach of the student and player. There is no need to go outside. All the facilities available in the campus, all the structure available in the campus, and the competition is going on in the morning and the day night also in the evening.
Actually, 10 days camp was there. It was a nice camp. Last year, our girls team was the All India winners. It was held in Kerala last year. So we were actually 3-on-3 is now it's an Olympic game. It's nice and it is very fast game. Actually, 2 or 3 games will be there one day. It's nice, and we are very much we practice very well, and I hope we will participate very good.
For these athletes, it's more than a tournament, it's a journey of ambition, resilience, and national pride. From March 24 to March 28, Meerut writes a new chapter in university sports excellence.
It's our first time, so we are very proud and motivated for this tournament. मैं तो बचपन से खेलती हूँ, तो मेरा है मतलब इन्वायरमेंट ही ऐसा है खेलने कूदने वाला, तो मेरे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. फिजिकली तो सर हमारी प्रैक्टिस ही कराते हैं रोज, तो मेंटली भी और फिजिकली दोनों प्रिपेयर्ड रहते हैं हम लोग.
This inspired you? Like, share, and subscribe Podsmongers, your home for Indian sports stories that matter.